Hey Evan, what's going on, man?
Hey, I'm just building another training wall.
Training wall. Yeah, I'd love to help you. How many of these training walls do you have across the country?
We have 10 right now.
10, all right, so working on number 11, fantastic.
Yeah.
And you're using a steel gutter, I see.
Yeah, it just helps make the install go a lot smoother and faster.
What if I could help you with a new piece of equipment that makes installations go faster, smoother, and look beautiful?
Yeah, what you got?
Well, this is hot off the press, the all-new SolarEdge Home Fast Mount.
Awesome.
Do you know what a fast mount is?
I've heard of it.
It's basically a gutter. So let's open it up and I'll show you what's inside.
Cool.
So here's our installation manual. There's a lot of helpful information in here. Most installers are going to read all of that and digest it fully and clearly before they throw away the manual.
All right.
Then we got a piece of foam. All right, set that aside. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside too. Boom. All right, so here is the fast mount. And as you can see, the fast mount has a logo on the front, and you can see on the top here, what's on the top?
Looks like templates.
Templates, exactly right. So a lot of installers may have already made some templates to help them line up where the inverter conduit goes, etc. But we printed it on the box for you, just so you don't have to measure anything. You can just like quickly identify where your inverter conduit goes, where your backup interface conduit goes, etc. But you can see right here, we have the buoy on the left-hand side. What if you want to put the buoy on the right-hand side?
Yeah, I don't know.
You just flip it over, dude.
Oh.
Boom, now your buoy's on the right-hand side. Easy. And of course, when you put the cover back on, you just make sure the SolarEdge logo is right side up.
Yeah.
We've included weep holes. So these little plugs right here, they let water get out of the enclosure if your conduit runs aren't as clean as you like them to, but it's still a NEMA 3R enclosure. How about conduit? Let's open this up. Yeah. And why don't you tell me what type of conduit you use?
Yeah, it's EMT. I use it on every job.
Yep, and you use Myers hubs?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ground bushings.
Ground bonding bushings, yeah. You have to, because it's all steel conduit and you have to bond it.
Yeah.
Now, the code only requires one bonding bushing per side of your EMT run.
Okay.
But I see a lot of installers install two.
Yeah.
Because they just don't want to get called out during inspection, right?
Yeah.
Well, this SolarEdge Fast Mount is a polycarbonate material. So we don't have to bond anything. So no more bonding bushings. And inside, oh, thank you. Inside, the key to all this improvement and speed of installation is right here.
Okay.
So this is a guide that tells you exactly where to put the backup interface bracket or the inverter bracket, or even if you do our over-under installation, where you put the inverter and the backup interface and the fast mount above a battery.
Oh.
It tells you the minimum space you need for that battery for your cooling clearance.
Oh, awesome.
It's fantastic, right? You don't even need a tape measure. You just use this thing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Where does that go?
Oh, and it fits right into these little notches that you can see on the fast mount.
Nice.
Okay, so we were talking about conduit. We provide all of the conduit fittings that you could ever need. So inside the box here, we have all these conduit fittings, okay? So we have 4 1-inch conduit fittings for the inverter, and then 2 2-inch conduit fittings for the buoy, and then we also have a 1-inch conduit fitting for the inverter connection on the backup interface as well. And then inside we have spacers. So we have our new Optimized in America inverters. We have inverters that are coming out of our factory in Texas. Yeah. And those inverters have a larger heat sink. So they stick off the wall a little bit more. So we included some spacers. So if you're using those inverters, you can get the fast mount off the wall just a little bit more to account for that extra heat sink, and it makes everything nice and flush and looks great. And then lastly, the partition. How many times have you been called out about separating your DC and AC conductors?
Yeah, quite a bit.
So we gave you a partition. It's got an adhesive side to it, so you can stick it wherever you need to.
Nice.
All right, so this is a SolarEdge Fast Mount. I think we should do a competition.
Okay, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking you install a traditional gutter,
okay,
and I'll install the SolarEdge Fast Mount, and we'll see who takes longer.
All right.
how much time is saved, because time is money.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, I'll go get some more tools. You get set up right here, and then I'll meet you for the SolarEdge Fast Mount face-off.
All right, you're on.
All right, I'll be back.
Cool.